Tiki gods can hear you.
If I hear one more word about those tiki-tacky Polynesian pineapple-picking wood-brains moron tiki gods! Hey, you turned out the lights?
That would be the moron Tiki gods.
We are doomed! Doom is in the air! It's your my friend here!
Playing the drums on the wall.
Mon ami, for the end is plain to see, because it's hot!
What was that?
The Tiki gods are disaster!
Who dares defame the Tiki gods?
He did.
Oh, thank you very much, Zazu!
Be careful, my fine feathered little friend. When you mess with Polynesia, the Tiki gods will squeeze ya. You're messing with me, baby.
Ain't the thing to do.
You're stressing me, baby.
Should've listened to Zazu.
You can't fly away, now you're stuck. I have crushed you for pushing your luck. It won't help to yell, you are under my spell. Look out, Harry, you're a dead duck.
Hit subscribe, hit that button down there, and if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.